Good morning, y'all. How we doing? How we doing, boy? Good morning, y'all. How we doing?
Previously on Kimba TV. I don't need the long from down here. If it wants to pop and do a nice little bullish retest, and if it's like 7-5 or some type of shit, and I know that that's my invalidation, you know, like if I do something like this, you know, and it actually does do this, you know, that's pretty cheap for me to take, you know, because the stop loss is right here. I'm not gonna cry over losing that much. Should we do this? What is the... It already tapped it. Yeah, I'll probably take it, I guess. That's a shitty stop loss. Well, okay, we got 30 minutes until the numbers come out. Probably need to see like a trident. Yeah, so probably gonna take it if there's a trident. So that's one setup, and then so if you wanted to take, do you remember what we said, Animalish? You remember how we wanted the scam dump? So all I did was like identify where we might be able to get a short. Maybe we even missed it. I'm not really sure. But I'm much more I'm looking for a long down there. Or a short. All right, Animalish. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a juice. But yes, I just did the 15-second TA at the end of yesterday's VOD. But nothing's really changed since yesterday. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go now. Bugatti juice. Let's go. Shwiggity schwaggity. Shwiggity schwaggity. The juice is the juice and the schwiggity is the schwiggity. Let's go. Easy money, Bugatti money. Easy money, Bugatti money. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's juicy. Lions, it's juicy. It's too juicy. It's too juicy. Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's go. Let's go. Too easy. It's too easy. Oh, it's too easy. Gotta be tested. Let's go, Lions. Oh, schwiggity on them. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Schwiggity on them. Let's go. Let's go, Lions. Can't lose. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. 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 Hey, it gotta be. It's gotta be. It gotta be. Juice. Ooh. CME cleaned everything, boy. Look at this. Damn, that's crazy. All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Markets are opening in an hour. You have plenty of time. If this is your first time trading unemployment, let's go. Shorter stream today. I'm flying to New York, so we have like maybe 3 hours left, 2.5 hours left. I got to do a hard stop around 9:45, 9:50. You guys doing all right? Let me ask you this. What usually happens when S&P and the dollar both pump? Have you seen that before, or this is your first time? If this is your first time seeing the dollar and the S&P pump, take note of what happens when the US market opens. All right? One of them is not going to be able to maintain this. Anyways, how'd you guys do today? Do you feel like you learned something today? Do you feel like you're a little bit of a better trader now than you were when you started the week?
Shut up, bitch. You gonna learn today.
What'd you think? And isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy? Like, I say the things that I say because I can't think of a better way to articulate it. Wasn't this opportunity meeting preparation? Wasn't this preparation meeting opportunity? We prepared and we got the opportunity and we took it. Okay? Exclamation, I can do this. Let's go. Don't type it if you don't believe it. Don't type it if you don't mean it. Exclamation, I can do this. If my dumbass can do this, y'all can do this. What do you guys think about the other shit that I say? When the bullets start flying, that's when the real you shows up. Meaning, what do you really truly understand fully? Right? Because I can. How many of y'all were here for the? How many of y'all were here for the early morning TA? Hands up if you were here for the early morning TA. So you saw me identifying. Right? You saw me identifying that TPO point of control. We did it with the CME. And then, so that's the level identification portion, right? And then what did I do in terms of edge? Was there not a swing fail probability? Right? So I front run that and I got in. Right? And then immediately, once I saw CME going nuts, S&P going nuts, stop loss and profit. Okay? All right, next shot, next shot. And you can hear me say, hey, you guys know what I'm gonna do next, right? It's all on the stream. You can hear me go, hey, you guys know what I'm gonna do next, right? So identify the level. If it's not a swing fail, then what could it be, chat? Am I just making this shit up right now, or is this something that we've talked about over and over again? Am I just making this up on the fly, or am I just following protocol? If it's not a swing fail, then what would be the next structure? Okay. All righty. Mr. Right? Am I doing anything different than I do any other time? Bybit spamming orders? Yeah, that's Hodu and Sato and Bato and you know who else? You know, Kimchi. Yeah, I'm not sure if Kimchi Gang is looking at S&P right now. Y'all are looking at S&P though, right? Y'all are looking at S&P though, right? So now it's the opposite. How many candle closes are you going to allow it to sit down here and build value? Because if it's really bullish, you're going to get the fuck out. Those are low. Those lows are bad, and that would trigger a sweep down there too. So if you don't get the fuck out really quickly, what do you have a high chance of doing? Okay. Am I making shit up on the fly, or is this something that we've always done? Somebody was asking me, hey, what would make you think that the lows aren't going to get grabbed? And I specifically said if the gap doesn't get filled. But we filled it now, so we're still in shape. We're still okay. We still have a chance. All right, any questions? Ladies and gentlemen, don't even make me do this. Don't even make me do this. Don't make me. What did it just do? So what do we want? I feel like if I hadn't said that, y'all would be top longing here. But anyways, it's really not that simple. Just don't try to predict the future. I don't know. I would love to get this today. Do I know 100% certainty that we're going to get that? Fuck no. I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is I like to prepare, plan, and execute. At this point, I can't lose. I couldn't lose earlier this morning. I couldn't lose, and I can't lose now.
Shut up, bitch. You gonna learn today.
Alrighty? And I always have another trade coming up. All right, Lions? You guys good? I gotta really hurry up and get the fuck out of here. Congratulations to Mr. AG. ESATs, CSATs, Neroti, Tiagong, Lama Joan, McLovin, Dasek, and Mame 17. Yeah, we can stop there, SWAT, because I got to get going. No, that's perfect. Everybody theoretically won, okay? Because we lowered it. We lowered the threshold to 2-month subs, and we didn't have 10 winners. So the only people that didn't win would maybe be the 1-month subs. All right? But I ran out of motherfuckers to give money away to. How cool is that? Everybody that's supposed to win has won. All right? I'm gonna give another 100K away tomorrow, next week. All right, hey, Lions, don't get caught up in like some weird dick measuring contest. This is not about being right or wrong. This is not about being, oh, I shorted, oh, I longed. None of that matters. There's always another trade. And as the captain of Kimba Airlines, I know that there's a very high probability of 618, 75 retracements, right, chat? You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so at the end of the day, brothers and sisters, I don't give a shit if you're still in a long from 60. I don't give a shit if you're in a short from up there, 61.8. I don't give a shit if you got round tripped on the long or round tripped on the short. None of that matters. The only thing that matters is did you do the right thing? Did you prepare as the best that you could? Did you learn something from this price action? So the next time you can learn, implement the stuff that you learned. So that's it, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. I'll be back on Monday early as fuck. All right, and we'll do the damn thing. All right, but I really hope you guys are starting to see that there is a way to look at this shit on your own and juice. And you don't need me, you don't need nobody. You don't need some indicator or a signals group. You can figure this shit out on your own, and you can do what it do, and you can juice. You can make money. So I hope you guys are excited for next week. The weekend is coming up. I always encourage people to just pick one topic, nerd out on it. Maybe some of you guys want to nerd out on Fibonacci. Maybe some of you guys want to nerd out on failed auction. I saw a lot of questions about failed auction, question mark. If you have questions about the failed auction structure and you want to go over that, we can do that on Monday. Monday will be a heavy nerd out day, because guess what? Guess what's happening next week on Thursday, chat? What's happening next week on Thursday? Let's get after it, y'all. The juice is the juice, y'all. Get nasty on them, boys. Hey, get after it, y'all. Have an amazing weekend. I'll post stuff in the Discord if anything crazy happens. But we already talked about this, so.
Latuche, motherfucker, the match is the mouth.
He raving! Young Sue, we free!